Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add the LastPass extension to the Safari web browser in your Apple device. So in the first step, open the App Store and download the LastPass password manager. Okay, now just open it. And log into your account. After that, go to the settings and look for the Safari. Now slide down and choose the advanced. Oh, sorry, we have to go back. My bad, sorry. Now we need to open the extensions. You can see you have LastPass, so just tap on it and switch it on. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.